I'm talking today about observation, self-observation. This is a very nice subject. And if you really try to learn how to observe, you will have more health, more happiness, more success, and more prosperity. And this is very important. If you really go and start learning the science of observation, you will see that your life depends on how you observe and how deep you can observe. Because every failure in our life is lack of observation. For example, you walk like this and fall down because you are not observing. Observation helps you to create right relationship with others. Observation helps you to correct yourself. It's so interesting. Without observation, you are a dry leaf that the winds of every kind takes you and dumps you anywhere, everywhere. But if you have observation, you decide your own life. You gain control upon yourself. And you can control all mechanical actions and reactions of the other people that aim it towards you. It's very interesting. It's a very, very beautiful subject, and you must try to learn it by trying to observe and learning the science of observation. Now, the deeper side of science of observation is that as you observe more clearly the life that you are living, you become more yourself. See, a man that does not know to observe is identified with everything. But observation creates a distance between you and the object. This is very, very beautiful thing. More you observe, more you create distance. More you create distance, more control you have upon the object. And if you don't have control upon certain objects and elements, you become their own slaves. So observation leads you self-dependency. It's so beautiful.